absolutely hate magic rings, but, well, most of the crochet is started from this. So let's get an easy one. Wrap the yarn around your pinky finger and pull through the index finger. Wrap around your middle finger. Grab your hook. Face it away from you. Insert the loop and use it. Grab the yarn that draped over your index finger. Bring the yarn through and rotate your hook. Then make a chain. Let it become tighter. That is. Now you can make some single or double crochet into this magic ring to test it out and see if it will close up. And it does! To learn more patterns and more different skills, check out the website and see more.